A powerful debate in the Commons for LGBT History Month. While MPs celebrated the gayest parliament in the world, the focus was on the rollback of rights. This is the Bench Report. Hello and welcome once more to the Bench Report, where we break down recent debates from the benches of the UK Parliament. You're listening to Amy and Ivan.
It's good to be here. And this debate, it was just a study in contradictions. On one hand, you have this celebratory statistic that Kate Osborne brought up.
That 12% of the chamber identifies as LGBT.
Making it the gayest parliament in the world by representation. But the actual substance of the whole discussion was about how precarious those rights have become.
Representation does not automatically equal protection. Nadia Whittome, who moved the debate, she made this really compelling point about the UK's international standing. In 2015, the UK was ranked #1 in Europe for LGBT rights. Now in 2025, it has just plummeted.
Down to 22nd place. Speakers pointed directly to a Supreme Court ruling and also guidance from the Equality and Human Rights Commission. These decisions effectively altered the criteria for legal gender recognition,
Making it harder for trans people to have their gender legally recognized. It seems to be fueling a more hostile social environment, too.
the hate crime statistics.
Hate crimes based on sexual orientation are up 44% in 5 years. But for trans-related hate crimes, that number has surged by 88%.
And those statistics explain why so much of the debate really did focus on trans rights.
Tom Hayes pivoted to the current medical reality.
He focused on the controversy around puberty blockers. His argument was strictly clinical. Studies link pubertal suppression to improved mental health and a lower risk of suicide for trans youth.
So the argument is that denying this care ignores medical evidence. What did the government commit to?
Minister Olivia Bailey promised a draft bill for a trans-inclusive ban on conversion practices. She also announced plans to equalize hate crime laws.
What does that mean exactly?
Well, currently there's a disparity. The plan is to make anti-LGBT offenses aggravated offenses, so they're treated with the same severity as, say, racial or religious hate crimes.
And the opposition.
The shadow minister, Mims Davies, defended the conservative legacy. She brought up the Alan Turing Law.
A reminder that these issues once had more cross-party consensus.
And the debate did make space for what they called queer joy.
Kate Osborne's moment was fantastic, referencing the Premier League's With Pride campaign and just declaring, let the dolls play football.
A reminder that behind all the legislative battles and crime stats, people just want the freedom to live.
And to play. It captured the whole session, really, celebrating how far things have come.
The gayest parliament.
While looking honestly at the work needed to stop the slide backwards. That's it for this episode of the Bench Report. As always, find us on social media at Bench Report UK.